So this is an associated hired man hit and miss engine that I bought at an auction. This next one I'll get going. Appears to be in pretty good shape. It's an older one. It's got more fins on the cylinder head, and I can't think of the name of this. Pushes the igniter. It's the older style. What's unusual about this one, I don't know if it's aftermarket gears or what, but they're helical gears instead of straight gears, or beveled gears. Helical gears. It does have a bronze cap. I don't believe the connecting rod is bronze. It may be. Got the pulley on there. So we'll get her going here in a little bit. So here's my early 2¼ horsepower hired man engine built by Associated. Got it all tore apart here. Honed the cylinder out, all cleaned up. There's the crankshaft. And the rest of the parts. I do a little work on the igniter. It was sticking a little bit and got it freed up, and oiler, same thing. Got everything all cleaned up. Cylinder head. Got the valves lapped in there. This little push rod all cleaned up. Everything all taken care of. Mixer. Cart. Get it all straightened up. Here's the board it is all mounted on. So we'll get her going here. Alright, YouTubers, I've got this Associated igniter wired up here. I'm going to give it a test. I had to take this all apart. It was sticking. Got it all cleaned up and adjusted the gap here. And I'm going to give it a try here. I got it hooked up to the primary side of a coil and a battery. I need to get me a better 6-volt battery for this. So I'll hit the lights here and trip the igniter here and see if it fires. Oh yeah, get a spark. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's firing good. Nice blue spark. So that makes me happy. We'll get this thrown together here. Almost got her together. I've been tramming it for the exhaust and timing, getting ready for the ignition timing. So after putting this igniter on my engine, it was losing some compression through this igniter here, and I ended up taking it apart again. I lapped this chamfered cut here. You can't see it here, but it's a seal, and it needed it badly lapped. And I had a lot of slop in this shaft too, and I got that all slop taken up. So we'll give this a try again here. Have it hooked up to the 6-volt battery, coil. Make sure it sparks again. And I'm getting that again. Nice blue spark. Probably shaking here too much. Yeah, you can see that. So we'll get her put back on there and try her again.